Ever wondered how to get started with Cash App and sign in without the confusion? In just a couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, so you can start sending and receiving money right away. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how to unlock all the features of your account. First, download Cash App from the App Store or Google Play and open it. You'll be greeted with a screen asking for your phone number or email address. This is how Cash App will send you your verification code. Enter the code you receive and you'll be prompted to add a bank using your debit card. If you're not ready for that step, no worries. You can skip it and add it later. Next, type in your full name so Cash App can personalize your account. Then comes a fun step, choosing your cash tag. This is your unique username and the link people can use to send you money. It must be between 1 and 20 characters with at least one letter. After that, enter your ZIP code, and Cash App will ask if you'd like to sync your contacts to make sending money easier. You can allow access or skip this step if you prefer privacy. That's it. Your account is now created. At first, it will be a restricted account, meaning you can link a US bank account and transfer money, but you'll need to verify your identity later to fully unlock features like sending payments from your Cash App balance. And that's how easy it is to sign in and set up Cash App. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and clear tutorials. And if you're ready to start sending money faster, check the description below for tips on upgrading to a full Cash App account.